the last song in Suzuki Book 1 today, and it's called Musette, and I'm going to show you the left hand and how to put hands together. Okay, let's get going. Here we go. Okay, let's take the left hand first. Start on D. Let's do that again. Now let's move our pinky up to where our thumb was. Move the pinky up to where your thumb was on A. Now in this song, a quarter note gets 2 beats. I don't know why, but it does. I thought a quarter note only got 1 beat, but I don't know why it gets 2 beats, but Wikipedia says give it 2 beats in this song, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's a dot after these 2 notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's why it gets 3 beats, because of the dot. Now watch the fingering. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1. Move your 3 up to the D here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next part, I want you to practice this the most. Practice it 5 times. No, practice it 6 times. No, practice it 10 times. So you got an A and you got an F, and use these fingers. And then use your thumb again. And then go to your 2. Now you can connect like this if you want. And then connect down to 3. And then you've got this one twice. Now the A down there on the bottom is tied, so just go over to that note, C sharp. Okay, and then the last part's just like the beginning, so we won't do it again. Let's take a look at the right hand real quickly, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the last part's like the beginning. Okay, we're going to do hands together now, and I'm going to sit up here on the top of the piano and watch.
Hey, Benny, thanks a lot for helping out.
Sure, no problem.
See you next time.